Good morning, primary school. It's Wednesday, April 4th, and it's Day H. I'm Lyra
and I'm Arkesh, and here are your morning announcements. PTO Used Book Drive is still continuing. 4D has leapfrogged into first place. Keep track of your class totals on the Google Sheet found in MyISHCMC. Proceeds will go to Library of Love.
April is Poetry Month. Spot a poem runs until next Friday. Details can be found on MyISHCMC. Check out these poems from grade 4.
Krish bio poem. Happy, funny, athletic. Wishes to score goals. Who dreams of winning every game. Who wants to play iPad. Who wonders about life. Who fears darkness. Who is afraid of the things that hide in the dark. Who believes in God. Who loves family and friends. Who plans to be successful in exams. Who thinks he is a star in ping pong table tennis.
Michael, sporty talker, caring trash talker. Wishes to be more athletic and fast. Dreams of everybody not having problems. Wants to be a famous NBA player. Who wonders what happens when you die. Who fears his parents' divorce. Who's afraid of kidnapping. Who likes girls with brown hair. Who loves his family and friends. Who plans to be an NBA player. Who wants to be remembered. Bye, Michael.
Bookmark design. Contest time has been shared with teachers yesterday. Please bring entries to the primary office till April 11th.
Earth Day is on April 22nd, and the theme this year is End Plastic Pollution. EE4 has taken over the plastic bricking project. Please collect any plastic bottles and plastic and drop them off in EE4.
MakerSpace is open to grade 1, 2, and 3s today at morning recess.
Joke of the day. Why did the monster run out of food at their party?
Why?
Because they all were a goblin.
Random fact of the day. The area next to your PC or laptop where you normally use a mouse contains 10 million germs on average from buildup of oils rubbing of your hands.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, wherever you think you can or think you can't, you are right. Henry Ford.
That's it for today's morning announcement. Have a wonderful Wednesday.